The POS extension identifies a poser POS file containing saved character POS data for use in Smith Microposer 3D figure animation software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you apply or manage these figure POS files. Final step preview. We will conclude by utilizing a comprehensive file inspection solution to instantly resolve the POS error, a tool also capable of managing numerous other file types. POS files are POS presets for Smith Microposer, containing saved joint rotations, morph target values, and body part positions for 3D human figures. They allow artists to quickly apply complex character poses to figures without manually setting each joint parameter. Poser POS files are plain text files using Poser's proprietary scene description language. They contain delta values for each figure joint rotation and morph dial relative to a neutral figure state. POS files are stored in the POS category of the Poser content library. The native handler for POS files is usually Poser from Bondware Inc. Standard Windows programs often fail to correctly display all layers of the document. Windows doesn't support full 3D model fidelity, so you'll need specialized tools for complete access. To solve this stubborn file problem, right-click the POS file and choose Open With. If Poser is installed, test that. If not, choose another application. The solution lies in finding the right software. If you cannot access the POS file, no problem. Since the POS file requires specific software, we must confirm the setup. Let's quickly review these key details on our preparedness checklist. First, applying poses in Poser. In Poser, open the library panel and navigate to the Poses category. Browse to the folder containing your POS file. Double-click the pose preset to apply all stored joint rotations and morph values to the currently selected figure in the scene. Next, creating custom poses. Manually position your poser figure to the desired pose using the parameter dials and rotation tools. Save the pose to the library using the Library Panel's Save button. Name and categorize the POS file for easy future access from the library browser. Finally, troubleshooting misaligned poses. If a pose applies incorrectly to your figure, it may have been created for a different figure type or body scale. Use Poser's Pose correction tools to adjust individual joints after application. Check that the figure conforms to the expected base figure type. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.